A subscriber just sent me these items for me to either keep or to sell during my auctions. I have no idea what these are, so I'm just going to open them up with you and let you know my thoughts when we get back here in just a few moments. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you blast that subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. Recently, a subscriber reached out to me asking me to keep their name anonymous, and they said, Stormy, I'm sending you something. It is a gift. It's for you to keep or for you to sell on your auction, whatever it is that you want to do. Now, this individual, who I promised to keep their name private, they have been a supporter of the channel for quite a while now, and I am very excited to see what this is. I haven't the slightest clue what this is, but the generosity of this person, I have seen it in action before, not only just with myself, but with other subscribers, and it's quite astonishing just what some of the members of the stacking community are capable of in terms of their generosity. Sometimes it really shocks me. To be honest with you guys, as a content creator, every once in a while, I will see some comments on the channel, troll-like comments, and it's really easy for me to get heated. Some people know how to push my buttons just the right way, and it gets me heated. So I have to kind of remind myself that the people are there just to kind of get a rise out of me, and that they don't represent the greater population of the stacking community. Now, the one thing that I will say about the stacking community in the 3.5 years that I've been making content on YouTube is that I have come to know a lot of you who watch the videos. You either interact with me on the live streams or on Instagram or on TikTok. Sometimes you guys send me emails, and I do interact with a lot of you. Even the comments, I talk to you guys quite a bit in there. And the one thing that I have noticed about the stacking community as a whole is that the majority of people are very caring individuals, and they are really, really generous. So I just want to give a thanks to all of you who are watching this video, and also to the person that sent me this gift that I'm about to open up. Just quickly tell you, thank you very much. I'm excited to see what's in here, so let's get right to it. So I haven't a clue what's in here, so I'm just going to get right to it. I'm trying to do this without banging into the tripod here. But like I said, just really excited to see what's in here. And so to the anonymous individual who sent this, thank you very much. I wonder what's this. What is this? I mean, any guesses, guys? What do you think? What do you think this could be? I'm trying to open it without ripping anything, because I don't know what's inside. Let's go in from here. I'm trying to do it in a careful way, and again, like I said, it's hard to do these types of unboxings. That almost broke that glass jar. That was a close call. Let's see. What is this? What is in here? Silver Christmas Wonderland Antiqued. What is this? I'll put this to the side. I don't think there's anything else in there. Silver Christmas Jingle Bell Antiqued. Well, only one way to find out. I'm wondering if this is from AppMex, because that looks like an AppMex SKU. It's actually a really nice box. Wow, dude, the presentation. No, this is certificate of authenticity. This is like a New Zealand mint type of thing. I don't actually. Let's see. Perth mint. I meant not New Zealand mint. Perth mint. Holy cow! That is a crazy ornate coin. I don't want to. Let's see. Yeah, silver content. It's 2 ounces. And certificate 779. 2500 mintage. That is really nice. And it had like a magnetic, you could see there the magnets on the corners of this, but check that out. Yeah, I'm not giving this away. I'm not going to sell this on the auction either. That is really, really cool. I've seen things like these. I'm like, wow, that's pretty damn neat, but you know, I'm a little too cheap to shell out the money for something like this, but that's a coin. How crazy is that? That is just really cool. You got the bell in there. Just, and like let's get this closer here. Look at the detail on the wreath. That is awesome. I'm going to set this here. Let's put that right there. We move the box over out of the way. Dude, lady, whomever, this is really, really unnecessary. Let's set this over here to the side. So this then, what is this one? Let's unbox it. Let's see. Also Perth Mint. This is now, this looks like a Christmas tree, Christmas Wonderland. Okay, 1934, 2500. So it must be like a series of these holiday themed items. Whoa, look at that. It's spinning. How the heck is it doing that? Magic. In all seriousness, that is really cool that they can make coins like this. Look at that. Wow, and look at the back. It looks like a, you know, like a Christmas village scene. I know I need lotion on my hands here, guys. Don't judge me, but just look at how awesome that is, and it spins. How did it do that? There we go. Wait. There we go. That is really, really cool. It's got a bit of heft to it. Wow. Thank you so much. There was more as well that came with these. Let's put that to the side there. Just really, really awesome. Let's cut this open here. Like I said, I typically wouldn't buy something like that for myself. You know, I've had some people send me in the past like a Merry Sithmas coin because it kind of goes with the theme of the channel. What is this? There. All right, so what's in here? We got, oh, some Merry Christmas Silver Eagles. Let's see what else. Some of the 3 9s fine Merry Christmas silver round from APMEX. Oh, we got a colorized APMEX Nativity of Jesus bar. Wow, man. And we got a snowman. Another snowman. I'm wondering if the individual knows I have 2 children, because I might put some of these in their stockings. Really, really cool. Let's put this to the side. This is like full of stuff. Geiger bars. Why did you send all of this stuff? 20-gram Geiger bars. 2 of them. The person has to know I have 2 sons. And I think I know, like, these have designs on the, it says Merry Christmas. More Silver Eagles. Holy cow. Dude. I just am at a loss. Let me put this over here. We got Peanut Snoopy. That is just too cool. Wow, thank you so much. This was such a incredible donation. I wish I could mention the person by name, but just the amount of stuff here is just crazy. Thank you so very much, mystery sender. I know who the person is, but they wanted to remain anonymous. Just your generosity is very humbling. Thank you so very much for this. I greatly appreciate it. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Thank you so very much. I just, again, like I said, the people in this community always surprise me, and I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with the items that were sent to me. I want to thank you very much, Mr. or Mrs. Anonymous Person, again, for all of your support. And all of you, again, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. Anyway, let me know, what is the most generous item that you ever received as a gift from somebody as it relates to stacking? Let me know in the comments down below.